Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa vegetable. First, gather about 2 cups of fresh moringa leaves. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Carefully remove any thick stems or leaves that look discolored. Then, chop the cleaned leaves into smaller, manageable pieces, preparing them for cooking. This initial step ensures your moringa is fresh and ready. Next, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add about 1/4 of a chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped moringa leaves to the pan, ready for the next step. Now it's time to season and simmer. Sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Pour in 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. This helps create steam for cooking. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. The goal is for the leaves to become tender, but not overcooked. Your moringa vegetable is almost ready. Once the leaves are tender, remove the pan from the heat. For an extra burst of flavor, you can optionally add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the taste beautifully. Serve your delicious and nutritious moringa vegetable immediately as a healthy side dish. Enjoy this simple, yet incredibly beneficial preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.